everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for being here. I am just heading to meet up with a friend because we are both going to have our first British roast. I'm really excited because I really want to try Yorkshire pudding. It's something I've been looking forward to, and it's Sunday today, so you know, just a thing to do. Just a thing to do. I've just caught the overground to Kentish Town because the place we're going to is in Camden, which is sort of like halfway between where she and I live, because we live on completely opposite sides of London. So yeah, and I think afterwards we might go to the markets. We'll see. Cheers! Cheers! So we just sat here at the Lock Tavern and we've got Camden Ales, Camden Hells. I said to the waitress, like, what's the most British beer that we can have, and that's what she recommended. So it's I know, it's very subtle. Very subtle. I'm not a big beer drinker, but yeah, I could go down dangerously well. This is busy. Yeah, and we met up like clubbing randomly one Saturday night soon after like I got here. And yeah, that was like a super spontaneous thing. And Izzy's from Minnesota. How long are you planning on being in London? No plans, that's another thing. Yeah. Yeah. Me too, just see how it goes. Every day is different. Yeah, so I'm no longer enjoying it, but she lives in one of the most nicest parts of London that I've seen. I'm super jealous. Anyway, so we're gonna get into this roast. Yeah, this place is super cute, except for everyone's smoking. We were just talking about how I was sitting at one table while Izzy was getting our menus, and this person just beside me started smoking, blowing it at my face. Anyway, that's it. Oh, you get two! I'm gonna take a picture. I know. Can I show my love for you? Can I show my love for you? Can I show my love for you? Can I show my love? Job well done.
It's delicious, phenomenal, mind-blowing, wonderful. I am really taken back by these dishes. The standard is incredible. Love it, love it, love it.
We are just wandering through Camden Town Markets, which is not too far from the tavern that we were at. It is just a labyrinth in here. There are so many things to see and do, so many places to get lost in. So yeah, we're just gonna wander around here. So we've incidentally walked out of the market and are now walking down the main street near Camden Market. And it's just a bunch of like street stalls selling very cheap, not very cheap, just selling a bunch of stuff, a whole lot of souvenirs, merchandise, Gucci scarves. I feel like I haven't done none of this like touristy stuff since I got here, and it's literally because I live here. So, oh my god, this lady's just fallen over. But yeah, I was just saying that since moving here, I haven't done a lot of like touristy things because I literally felt like I live here and I've got like all this time to do these things, so I've stopped. But being out here has just rejuvenated my excitement for London. So yeah, we're just going to keep wandering around. I'm craving dessert, so we're going to go back to the markets hopefully to get some dessert. And yeah, it's been a lovely afternoon having roast and trying British roast. So that is it from me today. My phone died before I could say goodbye, but it was such a nice day. Definitely enjoyed my Yorkshire pudding, my first British Sunday roast. That beer went down. It went down, and I'm gonna have to go back to Camden Markets because it is so huge. Like, I cannot describe to you like how big it is, and you can just get so lost in it. We walked around for a good hour, but I still reckon more than an hour actually, but there was still like parts we didn't get to, so looking forward to going back there at some point. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.